Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check your Android version and Google Play app so you know which menus appear. Once confirmed, disable VPN or proxy because they can hide ad origins. Next, open Settings, go to Apps and locate Google Play Store and Google Play Services. You do this because Play Services often delivers ad settings. Play Store holds app-specific controls. Make sure to tap each app entry. Do not skip this step, so you can access storage, permissions, and notification controls immediately. Once done with app entries, you change permissions. Revoke display over apps and any unnecessary permissions that allow ads to appear on top of other apps. Then, go into notifications for Play Store and turn off promotional and suggested content. This reduces inside store ads. If ads continue, clear cache and, if needed, app data for both Play Store and Play Services to reset bad state. Doing this removes cached ad tokens and often stops repetitive ads quickly, which is why it's effective. Now finish by opening Google Settings, find Ads, and opt out of ad personalization so ads aren't based on your profile. This won't remove all ads but reduces targeting. Next, uninstall any recent or suspicious apps that began showing ads and recheck installed app permissions because misleading apps often request overlays. Finally, restart your phone. If targeted ads persist, reinstall Play Store updates to replace corrupted components. Troubleshooting tip: if ads
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.